Hi, I'm Taylor Carver, founder and head trader at thetradinganalyst.com. As a seasoned trader, I know what it takes to make money in any market. If you're looking to make money in the market and to be guided by a true professional, then look no further. As a member, you'll receive real-time text and or email alerts with profitable trades, a detailed trading plan so you're well prepared for the market day ahead, as well as trade reviews and educational material, plus so much more. Here's what some of our current members are saying about the membership. Whether you're just starting out or are a seasoned trader looking for an edge, you'll find a home here at The Trading Analyst. Sign up right now and start making consistent money in the market today. And we're going to take a look at DE chart here really quick. A couple things that I want to point out here. We've got a big bullish day that we had on Friday on heavy volume, as you can see, but look at where we stopped. We stopped right here at this previous resistance, and you can see just why it was resistance over here. A lot of support, many bounces off this level, and what was formerly support is now resistance now that we're below this price level. So just be aware of that. We could see some consolidation. Really nice breakout here overall on DE. You can see break over this downtrend line. Somewhat of a falling wedge pattern as well that you can draw right here. So if we do see some consolidation, look for some support right around 83.50 or so. If it decides to drop even more, which I'm not calling for, I'm just saying that if it does happen, the next support we really have is right around $79, $80 right there from the highs of these two candles right there. So just want to point out those few levels on DE. Next, I want to take a look at Tesla. And Tesla, you can see here, short-term pattern. We have a bit of a falling wedge pattern here. Here's the top of the wedge. We've got a lot of breaks, or I'm sorry, a lot of tests of this resistance level, and then we broke over it on Friday's action. Again, we're holding this support as well, and I'm going to draw that for you. Here it is, right around 223 or so. You can see we've gotten a bounce from it here, 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 these few candles, and you can see that we had this indecision candle here on Thursday's trading action right there, followed by a green candle right there. So I do think that Tesla heads higher into the week. The next main resistance I'm seeing is right around 229. Next, I want to take a look at DGGI. I'm sorry, it's DGII. And we've got a break over this resistance level. You can see many times getting rejected, again right there, a few times here, and we did so with the support of this uptrend line right here. You can also draw a shorter term uptrend line just like that. So we've got uptrend lines, we've got a break over this resistance, and you also look down here, and we did so on about double the average volume. So definitely think that DGII is set for higher prices. Next, I want to take a look at DV. DV, we broke over this resistance. You can see it was resistance right here. Really tight range that we were trading in from about, let's call that 21.75 to about 22.75 for about a month since early of July. So we broke out of this really tight range on some really heavy volume, about 5 times the average volume that we saw on Friday. So nice action here. We've also got this uptrend line. If we end up seeing some consolidation down to about 23, I think that's going to be the ultimate buy zone if you're lucky enough to see those prices. Next, I want to take a look at EMMS. And EMMS, you can see that we broke over this resistance. How many times have we seen resistance right here? How many times? A lot of candles just touching. Look at this. I mean, this is, about a month where every single candle touched the high here, minus this candle and this candle right here. Pretty much every candle touched that $4 level right on the mark. So definitely a nice break over that resistance right there. Definitely think it can head higher. We did so on a big increase in volume. The average volume is about 1,000 shares a day. On Friday, we exchanged 125,000 shares, so a huge, huge increase in volume. You can also draw an uptrend line right here, just like that. You can see that we've gotten several touches right here, here, and again right here. So definitely think that EMMS is set for higher prices. Watch this next week. Next, let's take a look at ETRM. ETRM, you can see here, big, huge increase in volume. You can see that we were trading kind of in a box here, not for that long, for about a week or so. This 19-cent level is going to be some support, as well as that 17-cent level as well. Definitely think that ETRM is set for higher prices. You can see that a big increase in volume here, and as you can see, we didn't really go much lower. So we saw a big increase in volume, and we didn't really go lower. So in my opinion, it looks like there has been some accumulation down here at the lows on ETRM, and it's definitely something that you want to keep an eye on for this next week. Next, let's take a look at EW. EW saw a nice little break out of this channel. We had this sideways channel. We broke over it on Thursday a little bit and then solidified that break with this action on Friday, as well as one of the biggest volume days of the entire year. I think it's the third or fourth biggest volume day of the year. Yeah, about the fourth biggest volume day of the year. I think that EW could be set for higher prices. It's definitely something that you want to keep an eye on for this coming week and into the future.